Trump was also not shy to mention this is an expansion of the Monroe Doctrine, a 200-year-old policy position that maintains that the U.S. has a self-assigned right to dominate North and South America. Shame! Trump also mentioned about the billions and billions that the United States will make from this oil and claims that this will benefit the people of Venezuela. But history shows us these are lies. Look at Iraq, for example. Both Trump and Marco Rubio also threatened to attack Cuba next. Shame! Shame! They also claimed this morning that there was a lot of work to do to fix the infrastructure in Venezuela. But they always fail to mention the reason Venezuela has struggled to maintain their infrastructure. Sanctions. Nearly 1,000 sanctions imposed by the United States that blocks the materials needed for Venezuela to maintain its infrastructure.
Shame!
Sanctions that kill 40,000 people per year.
Shame!
Sanctions that restrict Venezuela from importing needed medical supplies and needed food.
Shame!